Hi y'all, I'm Melissa Corbin and I am here with the Old 96 District Tourism, and I'm standing in the middle of Titan Farms with Ross Williams. And how many varieties of peaches are we talking here?
We actually grow 62 varieties of peaches.
62, y'all. And which one is this?
This is Flavor Rich. So this is actually the orchard that the chef is going to be using fruit from in the segment later on.
Is this one of the earlier varieties?
It is. This is our second harvestable variety.
So, second harvest of the 62 varieties. When will be the last harvest?
End of August, 1st of September in most years.
How do the folks at home know when it's a good peach?
When a peach has a little bit of give, it's not firm, but it's not overly soft, that's when it's ready to eat. It can be stored in your refrigerator from that point forward.
Yeah.
So the fruit that doesn't go to grocery stores, we actually have a processing facility that's able to take our food waste or our waste stream out of our fresh packing facility and turn it into slices, dices, and even fruit cups that go to the school lunch program.
Oh, that's cool. So the kids are eating the fresh peaches year-round, essentially.
That's right.
Is this ripe enough to pick?
Not quite. Every variety is slightly different, but you're really going to be looking for the background color of the fruit to know when it's time to be harvested off the tree. So
is it an old wives' tale that the riper that is, the fuzzier it'll be?
No, that's an old wives' tale. Yeah, every variety has a different amount of fuzz. I think about the fuzz as the protection for the skin of the fruit from all the bad stuff that's here in the environment in the southeast.
Now that we know what we're looking for, why don't we go pick some peaches? My guest today is Chef Erica McCier. She has a crazy cool restaurant called Indigenous Underground. And you are also the chef ambassador for Certified Fresh South Carolina?
I am.
Erica, I want you to talk to me a little bit about what the Certified Fresh program with South Carolina is all about.
Okay, the Certified Fresh program is a part of South Carolina Department of Agriculture Fresh on Farm Menu organization. And what that entails is that my restaurant is one of those restaurants that uses at least 25% or more SC certified farm products. But in my establishment, from what we've gained the knowledge of over the past few months, is that actually 65% of our produce, pretty much 100% of it is SC certified. But you develop that relationship with your local farmers, and especially the ones there in your town, and they are really appreciative of what you do using their products.
Of course.
And once their products are in restaurants, then the community gets to find out that, hey, you know, there is a cattle farm here, you know, a cattle ranch here. There is, you know, someone who I could go get my peaches from, or, you know, my onions from. And it gears it more towards just that fresh product.
And Erica has this, it's a really cool idea of how to use peaches out of the ordinary. Take it away, Erica.
Well, today we're going to put those peaches in a succotash. Succotash is one of those indigenous dishes, and the natives use what we call the Three Sisters crop in their succotash, which would be the corn, the beans, and the squash. But today we are going to use peaches. And the peach that we're going to use today are called Flavor Rich peaches. They're the earlier peaches during the season, and they are more acidic than, say, like the ones that you would find in the summer, where they begin to sweeten up a little bit more. These do have a firm texture to them, so they're going to hold up really well when we grill those.
So why don't we start getting the dish prepared?